Hello guys, this is Ali from Amazing AA. I think you guys are all doing alright. Today I am going to show you how to install a dash cam. A few days ago I bought a cheap dash cam, like it's 50 bucks. It's okay, you can install a cheap dash cam in your car, but I found this one is very good with some cool features. This dash cam is ThinkWare. The model number for this dash cam is X550. It has 2.7 LCD screen, but the thing is very good for this dash cam is it has the GPS, built-in GPS. So this GPS, whenever you just turn on your car or the ignition on, the GPS immediately connected it. And as I said, it's a 2.7 LCD screen. It has safety camera alert features for the red light and also for the speed camera, and also has some road safety warning system, like whenever you change the lane it will give you some alarm so that you can save on the road. It has super night vision camera and stuff like that. It comes with few mounting accessories. This accessories is for your cable, and this one is the main mounting for your camera, which I have already installed. That's the dash cam that I was talking about. It is very cool, it's very lucrative. See how it looks? It's very nice. So now I mount my dash cam. It's time to bring the cable from the dash cam to the power source. As you can see here, the power will go there, and then I already bring the cable from the top of my car here windshield, and then it goes from here on the corner. You have to find the way actually. That's the clip that I was talking about, and then I bring from there. You can put it here. Another clip. This is my second clip, and then it goes from this corner here, and then you just have to bring the cable from here in the corner. You go there underneath of the box and bring all the way from this corner to my cigarette charger. You see, this is how I bring my cable here. You see it's already on and it starts the continuous recording. So this is how it goes. GPS connected. You heard that it says the GPS already connected. How I did here, all the way from there, and then finally on the bottom of the box. So if you like my video, simply subscribe to my channel so that you can get some cool videos future, and then you can be notified. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.